This is the day we've been waiting for. 2 years of preparation, countless moments of planning, dreaming and imagining, and now we're here.
From the moment I met you, I knew my heart had found its match. Today, as we stand before our loved ones, I vow to be your partner in all things, not possessing you, but working with you as part of the whole.
Sheena, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father. We've grown so much together, and today we're starting a new chapter as husband and wife.
Close your eyes and give me your hand, darling. Do you feel my heart beating? Do you
Cyrus, did you come here
Do
of your
you
own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife? Yes, Father.
I promise to support your dreams and to respect our differences, and to love you and to be by your side through all the days and nights of our lives.
It's meant to be, darling. I watch you when you are sleeping. You belong with me.
This God who called you to be together, this God who willed that on the 15th day of December, He Himself would wish to share His joy to the both of you.
Close your eyes, give me your hand, darling. Do you feel my heart beating? Do you understand? Do you feel the same? Am I only dreaming, or is this burning an eternal flame?
We can express joy. But more than expressing joy, I do believe that joy is also and will always be a shared experience. Ang kaligayahan o ang kagalakan ay ibinabahagi din.
Underneath the sky, your love is a lullaby. You become a shelter.
Almost 14 years. 14 years of love, challenges, growth, and moments that have shaped us into who we are today.
With all my heart, I take you as my wife, confident in knowledge that we will create a life together that either of us could imagine alone. Yours forever.
And I'm ready to face this world with you. I'm ready to take you in my life. There's nowhere to run but here. Right in my arms is where I'll keep you.
Those years have made us stronger, and I know that no matter what lies ahead, we'll face it together, hand in hand, with faith and love, guiding us every step of the way.
And I'm ready to face this world with you. I'm ready to take you in my life. There's nowhere to run but here. Right in my arms is where I'll keep you.
Thought that I was in my prime, but I was naked, dressed in my pride. You saw through the things I hide. Yet still, you said be yourself, you'll turn out alright. You made me run like I never run, try like I never tried, fight like I never fought, maybe wanted. You made me run like I never run, try like I never tried, fight like I never fought, maybe wanted.
So nagsimula po yung pagkakaibigan namin ni Sai sa isang common friend, si Jade. Siya po si Jade. Though magka-batch kami nung high school, pero hindi po kami masyadong nagpapansinan kasi parang iba po yung dating niya dati, maangas po siya dati. Medyo may pagkasuplado ng konti, opo. Ganun. So kaya parang hindi ko po siya feel dati. So nag-start po siya sa isang simpleng get-together, inuman, ganyan, kwentuhan, tapos hanggang sa dumating kami sa nag-share kami ng mga trip namin sa buhay, mga hobbies, ganyan. Tapos, actually yung mga trip namin halos parehas, so doon talaga parang nag-sync yung utak namin, parang ganun. Tapos hanggang sa dumalas na yung pagkikita namin, tapos habang tumatagal, si Sai, hindi lang siya basta kaibigan, kumbaga talagang maaasahan siya. Kahit saan, kahit anong oras, nandiyan siya. Tapos talagang nagkakasundo kami sa maraming bagay. Tapos marami rin akong nasaksihan na away-bati nila ni Sheena, pero masaya ako ngayon para sa inyo. Sana ingatan at mahalin niyo yung tampo at yung isa't isa. At alam ko marami pa kayong away at tampo na darating, pero alam kong kayo pa rin hanggang sa uli. Yun lang. Thank you.
Hi, good evening po sa lahat. Ako po si Jade, best friend ni Sai, and at the same time, best man niya ngayon. Tulad ni Miko, it's a pleasure to be his best man. And masasabi ko lang kay Sai, siya yung meron ba kayong tao na tinuturo niya na no questions asked? Siya yung ganun ko. Si Cyrus yung ganun ko. Ikaw din. Si Cyrus yung ganun ko. Yung tao na no questions asked. Nung kabataan namin, medyo madami akong gusot na napasok, tapos mahirap isolve. Pero tuwing tatawagan ko si Cyrus, wala siyang tatanong sa akin kung bakit ko ginawa to, anong nangyari, basta tutulungan niya lang ako agad. Tapos sobrang happy ko kasi nung high school kami, Wala siyang girlfriend. Wala siyang girlfriend nun eh. Ano siya, dead kid siya.
Start small, grow tall.
Dead kid siya nun, tapos inadapt na lang namin siya sa tropa namin para maging cool kid siya. Ayun. Tapos ano na din pala, medyo ginamit ko siya dahil may motor siya eh. Di ba? Hatid sundo, pagka wala kaming practice. Tapos nagdi-detour kami sa may Cartimar, may bibilin kami ron, pero di ko nasasabihin. Hindi naman illegal, pero nakakahiya lang. Tapos yun, doon na nagsimula yung friendship namin. Tapos di ko akalain na sobrang bait niya. Na, ayun nga, kapag nagpatulong ako sa kanya, talagang di niya ako tatanungin kung ano nangyari. Talagang tutulungan niya lang ako. Tapos yun, nung nakilala ko siya, nakilala niya na si Sheena, sobrang saya ko kasi naging dalawa na sila na no questions asked na tao para sa akin. Kaso si Sheena minsan chismis din eh. Nagtatanong siya, tapos sasabihin ko lang, Sheena mamaya na. Tapos tumitigil na siya sa pagtatanong. Medyo chismosa rin eh. Tapos tumitigil naman siya pag sinabi kong, mamaya na Sheena, mamaya ako na-explain. Titigil na siya. Tapos siguro nakakalimutan niya na lang din. So yun, sana lahat tayo, meron taong no questions asked. Ride or die. Ride or die ko. Naalala ko pala, tinanong ako ng asawa ko a few months ago, pag makikipag-away ka, sino gusto mong kasama? Sabi ko si Cyrus kasi basag na mukha. Hindi, joke lang. Sabi ko si Cyrus. Sabi ko kasi si Cyrus, ride or die yan eh. Kahit ano mangyari, di ako iiwanan yan. Kahit ano pang dala nung kalaban, kaaway, kahit ano pa. Ayun. Ayun. So yun, wish ko sa lahat ng bisita, sana meron kayong kaibigan na katulad nilang dalawa. Natutulungan kayo kahit ano mangyari at di kayo iiwanan. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
So when Sheena first asked me to speak today, I was like, syempre, spotlight, charot. Hindi, syempre I'd be honored. Then, I tried na gawin yung speech kasi medyo ayoko nagka-cram. Pero every time, umiyak talaga ako. Like, every single time. Alam niya ni Miko, sinabi ko na ata sa'yo. So, it's really hard to start kasi hindi ko talaga alam kung paano kami nag-start na maging close ni Sheena. Hindi ako naiyak, promise. Holding it together. So, background din, nag-start kami ng friendship kay Jayden. Kasama po ako doon na sad boy si Jade nung time na yon. Bagong baba lang po siya ng barko. So, pero masaya na po siya ngayon, married na po. So, it really started na every weekend nag-hangout po kami. Kahit wala kami mga pera, nag-hangout kami. So, parang hindi laging enough yung isang araw sa aming lahat pag magkakasama kami. So, I tried to really backtrack kung paano kami nag-start na maging close ni Sheena. Actually, tinry ko po yung sa Messenger. Ang haba po ng messages namin. Ang hirap. But it's really funny how our simple convo turned out to be me finding my best friend. Sheena, I can't thank you enough sa lahat ng ginawa mo para sa akin. Yeah. You're like that perfect friend who's always there for you. You've been my rock. When things weren't going well for me, you were always there to listen and give advice. Whenever I'm having a bad day, you're there to listen without judgment. Our conversations are always effortless and real, and I can't imagine not having you in my life. Lagi mo sinasabi sa akin, hindi ka sama na ugali ko, tapos magchichika na siya. But honestly, si Sheena, isa siya sa mga selfless, most caring, and compassionate people that I've ever known. Kasi lagi siya nandun para sa akin. Helping me get back on my feet when I was at my lowest. You've believed in me when I didn't even believe in myself, and that's something I'll never forget. Sometimes I really don't know, or I ask what I did to deserve a friend like you. Pero again, I'm forever grateful. So thank you for being you. Actually, I wouldn't really be where I am today without your love and support. Siyempre, yung jowa ko din. Sama natin. And si Cyrus naman po, you're one of the most dedicated and hardworking people I know. Your resilience is something I truly admire. I've watched you give it your all just to reach your dream. Di ko makakalimutan yung lagi kang pumupunta sa bahay namin sa Anonas, na kahit wala kaming gamit, pumupuntahan mo pa rin kami ni Miko, binibisita mo kami every time na napapadaan ka doon. So kahit ngayon po na sobrang busy na namin sa work, si Sai po, tsaka si Sheena, they always make time for me and Miko. And I'm so happy that I get to experience adulthood with you both. So, ako po alam ko po talaga na si Cyrus, mahal na mahal niya po talaga si Sheena. Bakit? Hindi niya po kayang mawala si Sheena. Kasi po, nung pandemic po, alam niyo po yung inuman, nag-inuman po kami, naka-video call po kami ganyan, nalasing po si Sai. Nakatulog po siya. Tapos gumising siya nung umiiyak. Sabi niya, Sheena, asan ka? Sabi ni Sheena, dito lang ako, bakit? Wala ka sa panaginip ko. So hanggang panaginip po, dapat magkasama sila. Ganun po kamahal ni Cyrus si Sheena. And as for Sheena, nakita ko lahat ng sacrifices mo para supportahan si Cyrus and help him become a better version of himself. You really, truly deserve one another, and I'm so proud of both of you. I've witnessed your ups, your downs, your petty fights, and your countless victories. But no matter what happened, know that you're both loved and will always be there for all the good and bad times together. You two are like a family to us sa amin ni Miko, and know that our door is always open for the both of you, lalo na sa'yo, Cyrus. May spare room kami, so in case kailangan mo a place to crash, alam mo na yon, doon sa bahay namin, meron ka ng room, hindi ka na matutulog sa upuan. But in all seriousness, I'm overjoyed to be standing here today celebrating this beautiful love between you two. You both deserve nothing but happiness, and I'm beyond happy that you found each other. So, yun lang po. Thank you so much. Love you.
And good evening, everyone. I am Angel, sister of Sheena. Na-pressure ako sa message niya, ang haba. Hindi ako prepared. Parang sinulat ko to, papunta na kami dito from the church. So, hindi siya masyadong mahaba. Ayan. So, first of all, I would like to congratulate Ate and Kuya Sai. I know how hard you've worked for this event. I know this is both a dream come true para sa inyong dalawa. Alam niyo yun, guys, parang last night na nag-aaway pa sila sa little details nitong kasal. Nagtatalo sila, hindi nila alam kung ano na yung gagawin nila. So parang, wow, parang for me, ang layo na nang narating nila. I can still recall, parang 2 years ago, when Kuya Sai said to me na magpo-propose na siya kay ate, naalala ko, papunta kami nun sa Jollibee ata sa Baguio. Tapos kami lang naiwanan sa sasakyan. Then out of the blue, sinabi niya, Jel, magpo-propose na ako sa ate mo. Una kong tanong sa kanya, alam na ba nila, Mami? Tapos ayun, parang everything just went by so fast. Parang hindi ko na namalaya na dumating na lang yung araw na nag-propose ka na kay ate. And sabi ko pa noon, bakit, tinanong ko kailan yung wedding, sabi nyo, 2 years from that day. Sabi ko pa noon, bakit parang ang tagal? And now I can see na saktong-sakto lang, everything is just right in time. And everything just fell right into its rightful places. Ayan. Ayan. I can also recall how for the past decade, naging aso't pusa kayo kasi parang hindi na siguro talaga si Sheena at Cyrus kapag hindi sila nag-aaway. Naalala ko pa parang before, may time na pag... Di ba parang dito to? Parang na-recall ko pa, may time na hindi ko alam kung anong year siya, pero matagal na siya. Parang nagfe-Facebook ako, tapos nagulat ako, yung status nila bigla, naging single na sa Facebook. Hindi ko alam kung ilang beses na siya nangyari and parang, wow, I'm so happy na, di ba, ngayon magpapalit na sila ng status sa Facebook, magiging married na yung status nila. Huwag niyo naman papalitan, baka biglang maging it's complicated naman. Yan. So, to Kuya Sai, thank you for loving my sister in spite everything. Thank you for your patience and support sa kanya kahit madalas nakakabingi na siya. Kasi kahit ako nabibingi na ako sa kanya. Kasi iisa lang yung floor namin sa bahay. Tapos minsan pag ang ingay ni ate, naririnig ko na rin si ate. So what more pa kung katabi niya si Kuya Sai, di mas nabingi siya kaysa sa akin. And to ate, may you always be full of love like you always are. May you always be patient and choose kindness above all. Also, continue taking care of each other and I know then kung gaano mo kamahal si Kuya Sai kasi you wouldn't be here today if hindi nyo mahal. If hindi nyo mahal yung isa't isa. I've witnessed almost everything, mga little aways, and now here you are and I couldn't be more proud of that. May you both find reasons to always choose one another through ups and downs and to support and uplift each other. I can't wait for the family you'll form in the near future. I can't wait for my future little pamangkins in addition to Summer and Caramel. Siguro iisa lang naman wish namin lahat dito, mabawasan na sana yung mga away para happy ever after na tayo. I'm so proud of you both for reaching this point. We all wish success, happiness, and love throughout your marriage. Again, congratulations Ate and Kuya Sai. I love you both.
Show me how to lose myself in the hope that I know you will be here tomorrow. Give me all that you have left. Could we stay?
May I ask everyone to bow our heads and feel the presence of the Lord. Dear God, we gather today to celebrate the union of Cyrus and Sheena. We thank you for the gift of our families, friends, and loved ones. And we thank you for this food before us. As we share this meal, bless their new life together with love, joy, and enduring strength. May their marriage be filled with laughter, compassion, and unwavering commitment. We ask this in your name. Amen. Tayo'y maganda na sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man ito ang pangarap ko. Mabuha mo man kaya ako hanggang nagkakabi. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo kung ba kaya'y ibigin mo. Kung maputi na ang buhok ko. Happy fun, guys! Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan natin. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Thank you, guys! Tinapad yung pangarap ko!
Ladies and gentlemen, Sai and
Sheena!
You're a falling star. You're the getaway car. You're the line in the sand when I go too far. You're the swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say. And you play it coy, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. Your every line, your every word, your everything. You're a carousel, you're a wishing well, and you light me up when you ring my bell. You're a mystery, you're from outer space. You're every minute of my everyday. And I can't believe that I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes our way, I will see it through. And you know that's what our love can do. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. Your every line, your every word, your everything. Your every word, your everything, your every song, and I sing along, 'cause you're my everything. So la 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 la. So la 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 la.
Pwede po bang palakpakan niyo muli silang dalawa ng may kasamang matinding pagmamahal, Mr. Cesar and Mrs. Rosana Ariza!
Thank you very much sa lahat ng mga dumalo sa mahalagang okasyon na to, kay Sheena, kay Cyrus. Ang aking mensahe lang sa kanilang dalawa, nagpapasalamat ako at nakita niya si Sheena sa buhay niya. Sa lahat ng struggle ng buhay nila, magkasama sila. Kahit na ano pa man, sa ginhawa o sa hirap, talagang nakita ko yung pagmamahal nila sa isa't isa. Kaya talagang ina-appreciate namin yun. Talagang we are so grateful sa lahat ng pagmamahal ng Buseta family kay Cyrus. Nakahanap siya ng isang pamilyang napakabuti ang kalooban. At ganun din naman si Sheena na talagang pinagmamalaki namin yung kabutihan ng puso niya. Walang kaplastikan, walang kahit na anong bahid na makikita mo sa kanya. Salamat, Sheena, sa pagmamahal mo kay Cyrus. At salamat din sa pamilya mo na talagang tinanggap si Cyrus talagang minahal din nila bilang isang tunay na anak. Salamat din, Sheena, sa aking mga anak na mga babae na talagang naging close mo din at talagang para sa kanila itong okasyon na to, sa aming lahat, napakahalaga ng araw na ito. At talagang excited kami sa araw na to at nawa, biyayaan kayo kahit isang anak. Siguro yun yung isang ating ipagpe-pray sa Panginoon kasi nothing is impossible to God. All things are possible to God. Thank you.
Bago ang lahat, nagpapasalamat po ko sa mga nandito. Kahit medyo malalayo yung lugar, pinilit nyo makapunta dun sa wedding ni Cyrus sa ni Sheena. Maraming salamat po. Cyrus, Sheena, sana... Hindi, ang hiling ko lang naman is yung iwasan nyo ang away. Iwasan nyo yung mga masakit sa ulo yun. Ngayon gawin nyo. Hindi, nakita ko naman yung pagsasama nyo eh. Talagang yun ang nagpapatatag sa isang samahan. Siguro mamatatag na kayo, ilang taon na eh. Ako ang hangad ko lang naman is yung lumigaya kayo, matupad nyo yung mga pangarap nyo, magmahalang kayo. Gumawa ka agad kayo ng magiging apo namin. Ako na bahala ron. Kaya, ang ano nyo, gawin nyo, magbigayan kayo. Kung ano man ang diferensya sa bawat isa, pagpasensyahan na. Haba ng pasensya. Ikaw, Sheena, ganun din. Say, habaan mo pa rin yung pasensya mo. Unang-una sa lahat, pinaubaya ako sa si Sheena. Hangad ko, sana mahalin mo siya. Yun lang ang binibiling ko sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
To Sheena and Sai. Okay, so there's no perfect marriage. Everybody knows that. There's each spouse have its own weaknesses. So I hope that you will not focus on the weaknesses of each one of you. So that, because if you will do that, you cannot bring out the best out of the strength of each other. So, always love each other and, the trust. Always nurture your marriage. Para siyang kotse na laging kailangan, you have to check it up, you have to nourish it. So, ganun din sa marriage. And Sai, ayoko na umiyak. Pero thank you for loving Sheena. She's very precious to us. You know that. She's our little girl, kahit ganyang katanda na siya, parang we cannot let her go basta-basta. And with you, we know naman na you will take care of her and you will love her the way we love her. So thank you. And we welcome you to your family, to our family, and we are happy that we also became part of the Arisa family. So, yun lang. Lagi kayong magmahalan. Life is full of challenges. Okay, same as with your married life. It's a long journey to go. But I know that if you will always put God in the center of your life, then you won't go wrong. And of course, a happy marriage means a happy children. So we cannot wait to see our future apos from both of you. I love you both.
Ladies and gentlemen, again, Mr. Armando and Mr. Sana Buseta. Perfect siya. Okay, this is the best part. We have here a very quick game, and I think you already have your cards. And the prize for the game is 1,000 pesos in cash. So, right now, let me see everyone. May hawak na ba kayong mga bingo cards? Let's see your bingo cards. Gano'n na ba? Sorry, tita. Wait lang guys. Sabi po ni Sai saka ni Sheena po, dadagdagan pa raw nila ng 2,000 pesos ang ating pong cash prize, making it 3,000 pesos in cash! Okay. So 1,000 din niyo ako pinansin. Sa 3,000, nag-party-party kayo dyan sa likod. Okay, so, ladies and gentlemen, can I have here the pattern, please? So right now, ladies and gentlemen, the pattern is very easy. Horizontal lang po, okay? Now, probably one of your question is, paano palaruin itong bingo? Ito ba yung human bingo or ito ba yung bingo natin, ninalo natin sa mga kanto or sa mga ball? This is your typical bingo po, ha? We just changed the B-I-N-G-O, which you can see on your cards. Yung B, pinalitan po namin ng favorite numbers. So, hindi po ba under ng letter B sa bingo, random number po ng 1 to 15. Tama po, sa bingo card. We change it to their favorite numbers. So, all in column ng favorite numbers po, lahat po yan ang mga paboritong numero or significant pa na numero kay Sai at kay Sheena. Second column po, di ba po ayan sa bingo card? Pinalitan po namin ang about him. Lahat po ng nasa column na yan ay tungkol kay Sai. Okay? Yung gitna naman po about us, about Sai and Sheena po. Mga gusto mo nang gawin together, all about them as a couple. Yung letter G sa bingo, pinalitan po namin ang about her. Ito naman, all about Sheena. Okay? Your favorites po niya and all. Yung dulo po, sa bingo, di ba letter O yan? Pinalitan po namin ang the wedding team. Yung po yung mga suppliers po ngayong araw na ito. Okay? So, you don't have to worry po. Again, we will announce kung saan pong column siya and ano po yung under niya. All you have to do is cross it out. If you form one line, sumigaw lang po kayo ng bingo. Okay? And you win po 3,000 pesos in cash. Okay? So, parang ang mga tita ko, hustler na hustler ang mga tita ko dyan. Gila tayo dyan. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, pwede po bang pakitaas po ang lahat ng mga bingo cards? Ito may malaman po. Lahat po ba may bingo cards na? Go on? Okay. So, wait lang po guys. Sabi po ni Sheena, dagdagan pa raw nila ng 1,000 pa yung price. Ay. Making it 4,000 pesos in cash! Okay. Bakit ang dami niyong hawak na bingo cards dyan? Ang mga hustle ng mga bingo. Okay. So, wait lang, guys. As we play, 4,000 pesos for now. You don't know, baka mamaya tumaas pa yan, may magdagdag. You don't know. So, ladies and gentlemen, for the meantime, let's play Cyrus and Sheena's Wedding Bingo! Okay, unang bola. Under ng About Us. Gitna po yan. Okay, gitna. Okay. Puro na kaagad. Ay, simula pa lang tayo. Okay, About Us. Ano po? Bakit pa? Ito daw ang first business name nyo. Sheila. Ha?
No!
Ang sagot ay?
Panda!
Panda! Ang Panda? Ang business name? Panda Express. Oh, okay. First, may panda po ba? Kung may panda po, tatantusan na. Okay, are we good? Are we following po? We're gonna speed this one up, okay? So let's go! Let's continue the game! Favorite number! First column, ha? First column. Ano yan? Bakit? Anong significant ng number na yan?
March.
March! Anong meron sa March?
Birth month ko.
Birth month ni Sheena! Number 3!
Okay, next.
Next na bola! Sa column!
The wedding team. Any guess? Giro Mercado.
Giro Mercado! Kung may Giro Mercado po sa card nyo, tantosan nyo na!
Next. Another wedding team.
Wedding team, sino supplier yan? Oy! Nasarapan ba kayo sa food? Mababait ba ang mga waiter natin?
Hison.
Jesus Catering! Guys, alam kong busy po kayo, pero palakpakan naman natin ang Jesus Catering. Thank you so much, guys, for the food and the service. Next!
Next. About us.
About Sai and Sheena, sa gitna yan.
Any guess? Anything related into gold? Golden Retriever!
Golden Retriever! Meron kayong Golden Retriever? Anong pangalan? Si Summer! Okay. Kaya pala may Golden Retriever.
Next! Another favorite number!
Favorite number!
Any guess? 8!
Bakit 8?
My birth month. August.
Birth month naman ni Sai, August. Kaya may 8.
May namumuro na ba, guys?
Teka lang, ilan ang dalawa? Ilan po ang kulang ay 3 na lang? Dami. 2 na lang! 1, 2, 3. Guys, tatandaan nyo, lagi po kasi akong kasama ng nanay ko sa bingguan sa mall. Taga-Tantos po kasi ako ng nanay ko. Madalas po, yung mga 2 na lang, 1 na lang, yung pa yung hanggang mamaya po, 1 na lang din sila. Okay? Alam niyo yung mga tita ko, di ba? Okay. Joke lang, pero mga bingo na naman, di ba? Okay, let's get to the game! Wedding bingo! Let's go!
Okay! About me.
About Sai? Ano ba yan,
No,
Sai?
it's about me.
Yeah, about Sheena!
Anong favorite drink ko?
Favorite... Anong favorite drink ni Sheena?
Pink Moscato!
Alright, this time it's about me naman. What? Running. Running.
Running!
Favorite sports, running. Okay.
Okay,
Alam ko
isa
sasakyan.
na lang ba
Running!
dyan?
Kung may running po about him, tantosan niyo na po, okay? 1 na lang! Sino 1 na lang? Anong kailangan mo? Siyempre kasama na yun pag nanalo. Oo. Okay! Sheena! Tingnan ko sisigaw siya.
Okay, about us. Favorite Korean novela. Any guess? Mali, Vincenzo!
Si Nicole makasagot. Kung may Vincenzo po, tantosan nyo na, okay?
Okay, sino yung mga puro dyan? Taas ang kamay! Okay, guys, gagawin ko na 5,000 yung prize!
Wait. Teka lang, gusto ko lang linawin ha. Teka lang, ang total pot money natin ngayon ay 5,000 pesos in cash! Okay, ano ang susunod nating bobolahin? Ay, About naman kay Sai.
Next. About Cyrus.
Totoo? Paborito niya yan? Paborito to ni Sai eh. Isang grupo to. Ano? Ano?
Bini!
Teka lang. Bakit paborito ni Sai si ang Bini? Anong...
Sample! Okay!
Sample! 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 Meron pa tayong music na salamin?
Salamin!
Salamin. Come on! Everyone, make some noise for the sun!
May pag-asa
Okay, share natin siya, guys!
baka ang puso ko'y magpapahinga. Dahil laging salamin kung ba niya aaminin. Kanyang tunay na pag-ibig.
Yung talk show na yung asawa niya today. Okay, tuloy ang bola!
Okay! Next! Favorite number! Number?
Huy! Who's Dilly? Okay. Ano kailangan nyo? Ano kailangan nyo? Okay. Ha? Ganda. Wait lang. Okay.
21!
Wait lang, akala ko bingo na kayo. Makasigaw naman kayong dalawa. Akala ko naman bingo na kayo. Yes, sabi ko pa naman kasi na, hold mo. Sige, magbibingo na yata. Okay. Ano kaya? 31! 31 pala. Akala ko. Nag-abang pa naman kami. Okay, tuloy ang bola!
About us!
About us.
So, kalma!
Dog Shard.
Any guess? Favorite color namin? Oh my God! Red!
Totoo to? Wait, okay. Guys, Dok, ito ka lang. Wait lang. In always po sa lahat ng bingguhan, we need to verify the bingo card if it's a good bingo, okay? Huwag mo na po itapon ang mga papel na yan kasi if it's a bad bingo, itutuloy po natin. Okay? So, dahil po dyan, tatawagin lang po natin ang ating DTI representative. Sir? Joke lang. Okay. Okay.
Naku! Disqualified, Doc! Hindi natantusan! Sobrang excited!
Titignan natin ha. Titignan natin ha. Guys, isisigaw nyo yes kung meron na. Okay? Kasi para ma-verify po natin. Okay? So, under ng favorite number. Anong meron?
21!
21 meron? Yes. Wait. Makasigaw naman. Okay.
About him!
Anong meron?
Bini!
Bini! Meron? Meron.
About us!
About us! Red meron? Kakasabi lang. Si Dok talaga excited ako. Sige. Kakasabi lang. About her!
Pink Moscato!
Meron? Ay, wala pang Hazon's Catering. Wala pa. Wala pa. Ito naman, hindi kayo mabiro. Mga ganito sa akin. Joke lang! It's a good bingo! Wait na! Bilangin natin. Magkano? 1,000! 2,000! 3,000! Sige, 5,000 pesos in cash! Ito, may hinanda pa rin naman kami para sa inyo po. Since the edit naman po nandito na rin, ang gagawin nyo lang po, just an added lang po for our entertainment today. Itataas nyo lang po kung alam nyo po yung title ng song. Ngayon, we will give you a prize. For you to get the prize po, you just have to sing the 30-second na videoke song. Mabilisan po, maiksi lang. Okay? Hindi kailangan maganda ang boses. Hindi kailangan po na tawag doon, perfect ang pitch, okay? Matapos nyo lang yan, guys. Okay na rin po tayo kaagad-agad. Sida, kahit buong kanta. Okay, the title of the game is called Sing It to Win It! So, ladies and gentlemen, raise your hands if you know the title of the song. For you to get the prize, just sing the 30-second song, okay? DJ, first song, please. Okay, people in the back, we have right there. Okay. Grabe tayo mo dun, Beshi. Sheena sila doon. Oh, what's the title of the song?
Through the Fire.
Huh?
Through the Fire.
Is correct. To all our dear guests, pwedeng patulong lang po. Sasabihin ko po kasi na before you get the prize, lahat po tayo sisigaw ng you have to sing it to win it. Okay?
No
okay.
problem.
Okay. Family and friends, before she gets the prize, she has to sing it to win it. Sing it!
Don't say no. I'm ready, so I'm ready to go. Through the fire, to the limit, to the wall. For a chance to be with you, I'll let it risk it all. Through the fire, through whatever come one day. For a chance of loving you, I take it all away. Right down to the wire, even through the fire.
Oh, paano na? Ano na mga susunod? Tinapos mo na! Congratulations! You won a prize! DJ, next song, please! Okay, we have one. Here's my right here. Si Sir, tayo. What is the title of the song?
If I ain't got you.
Is correct. Please stand up. Family and friends, help me out. Before you get the prize, you have to sing it, read it, sing it.
He cared for me. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If I ain't you, baby. If I ain't got you, baby. But some people want diamond rings. Some just want everything. Oh, everything means nothing. People want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby. If I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings. Some just want everything, but everything means nothing. I ain't got you, yeah.
Guys, laro lang to ha. Wala tayong seryosohan ha. Kasi, ang ina-expect ko, ang inaasahan ko po yung mga hindi magagandang boses eh. For tonight. DJ, next song please! Can I... Nagulat ako sa kanya. Parang may parang umusbong doon, tapos lumapit na agad sa amin kasi parang may aparisyon na niya nakikita kami kaagad. Okay. May magagawa pa ba ako? Nandito na siya. What is the title of the song? Uy, title muna.
Dancing Queen!
Family and friends, before she gets the prize, she has to
Sasayaw din ba?
sing it!
And dance march! Good for dance.
Go!
When you get the chance.
Hey!
You are the dancing queen. Young and
you, Beshi, for putting up the standard. Marami nagsasali ngayon, okay? Congratulations, you won a prize! DJ, next song, please! Alright na! Everybody, stand na tayo! On this side, 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 on this side. Beshi, huwag kang papatalo doon. What is the title of the song?
Total Eclipse of the Heart.
Total Eclipse of the Heart is correct. Okay, family and friends, help me out. Before you get the prize, you have to sing it to win it. Sing it.
You now tonight, and I need you more than ever. And if you only hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever, and we'll only be making it right. 'Cause we'll never be wrong. Together we can take it to the end of the line.
Everyone.
Your love is like a shadow on me all of the time. I don't know what to do, I'm always in the dark. We're living in a powder keg, giving up spark. I really need you tonight. Forever's gonna start tonight. Forever's gonna start tonight. To find the time I was falling in love.
Pwede pa naman po. Ang sweet ng boses siya kasi. Congratulations! You won a prize! Okay. Ha? Gusto niyo pa ba? We don't have to say that, but on this side, okay? Kanina nahiya pa kayo kumanta, tapos ngayon. DJ, next song please! Wait lang. Parang piyesa to ni Tito eh. Pili ko piyesa niya to. Ito yung mga pinanalaban niya eh, okay? Sir, what is the title of the song?
Bed of Roses.
Tayo na tayo dito. Magkamagalalahan dyan naman lahat. Okay, family and friends, come on. Love and support. Before you get the prize, you have to... Sing it! Sabi ni. Galing kasi. Okay. Guys, right after we watch this in the edit, kung gusto mo mag-karaoke, may dala po akong platinum karaoke dito, okay? But right now, I just need 2 chairs for our Sai and Sheena. And can we switch off all the lights, please?
Everyone, thank you for coming. So, yung iba galing pa sa malalayo, sobrang thank you sa pagbigay ng time on our special day. And to our entourage, alam ko maaga kayong gumising para dito. So, thank you so much. And to our parents, thank you for supporting our love and supporting my dream wedding. And to Cyrus, thank you for fulfilling my dream. So, ito kasi talaga yung dream wedding ko. So, kahit na madami kaming pagtatalo for the past few months dahil doon sa mga details ng wedding, sobrang thankful ako kay Sai kasi lagi niyang pinagbibigyan yung gusto ko and very understanding siya. And to all our suppliers, thank you so much. Pragma, Dreamcatcher, thank you for capturing our special moment. Tofi, thank you for our smooth day today. So wala kaming naging aberya because of Tofi's team. So just a beef trivia, si Tofi, matagal na namin siyang kilala. Nung nag-debut pa lang ako, si Tofi yung host ko, and now, nakinasal ako, si Tofi yung coordinator ko naman ngayon. So, hopefully, Tofi, sa mga susunod pa na events. And sa Tuesday, we'll see each other again. And to Jiru, thank you for making this reception very lively, and to all the yung mga videos and yung mga, itong monogram, si Jiro din yung nag-provide niyan. And also to Hisons, thank you sa masarap na food. And wala na yung bar on the run. So thank you dun sa cocktail table natin. And then kay Chris, thank you for providing yung Master Siomai. Siya yung nag-asikaso nun. Lahat ng food cart na nasa labas. Si Chris yung nag-sponsor nun. So siya yung nagpakahirap doon para madala yun dito. So thank you guys. And also, sana pag-pray nyo kami ni Sai na hopefully by next year, makastart na kami ng family namin. And guys, I hope you will stay. Meron tayo ditong drinks for the after party. So yun lang. Thank you everyone.
Thank you for coming to our wedding. So finally, naraos din namin with the help of the suppliers, our family and friends. So, a quick funny story lang. Coming to this wedding 2 days ago, so we went to the bank para mag-withdraw ng mga perang pambabayad namin ngayon. And to our surprise, nawawalan pala ng pera din yung bangko. So kinakabahan kami kasi Friday, syempre mag-weekend. Baka hindi kami maka-withdraw, wala kami pambabayad supplier. Baka matulfo pa kami. But maraming branch kami napuntahan, and may nakuha na kaming pera. And finally wala nang mga pagtatalo sa details since nairaos na namin. Actually, yung mga ibang rito, like yung menu cards, the souvenirs for the ninongs and ninangs, kami yung mga nag-asikaso with the help of our family. Special shout out to Angel and Miss J. Thank you sa pag-help sa amin mag-pack ng mga kailangan, yung mga essentials for this wedding. And also, special thanks to, again, Tofi for organizing this spectacular wedding, and all the other suppliers na sobrang naging happy kami sa naging outcome. And again, to our family and friends, thank you for coming and for staying up until this late evening. And again, to everybody, to the bars, to the loves, thank you for coming. To the Ariza family, the Buseta, to our office mates, Ty from FACSET, and Shina's office mate from LMG. Thank you guys. I hope that you stay for the after party. You still have enough time. Paupayin yung mga, at least yung traffic.
Don't stop me now. Don't stop me from saying.
Thank you so much, everybody.
You can light it show. Let it burn like a fire in your bones.
These are shared joys that these people at your back wishes to greet you with as you head along to this life.
With the Lord's guidance, I know everything will be okay. I love you so much, hon, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.